Hello students, welcome back. In our previous video, we learned about future perfect tense. And in this video, we will be learning about future perfect continuous tense. That is the last form of future tense. In this tense, we will talk about such actions which will be in progress over a period of time or from a point of time in the future. So basically, this tense, that is future perfect continuous tense, is used to describe an action that will be in progress over a period of time or from a point of time in the future. कि फ्यूचर में वैसे एक्शंस, वैसे एक्टिविटीज जो कुछ एक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम तक चलते रहेंगे, या फिर वैसा एक्टिविटी जो एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम से शुरू होगा और फ्यूचर में आगे तक चलेगा. अब कब तक चलेगा दैट्स नॉट मेंशन, बट इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन द फ्यूचर and go on. It will be in progress or it will be in progress for a period of time. Okay, like if I say I shall have been talking to him, उनसे मैं बात करता रहूंगा. और the farmers will have been working in the field, किसान खेत में काम करते रहेंगे. लता will have been singing from morning, लता सुबह से गाती रहेगी. एंड फाइनली ही विल हैव बीन प्लेइंग क्रिकेट फॉर 2 years, वह 2 वर्षों से, वह 2 सालों से क्रिकेट खेलता रहेगा. सो ऑल दीज सेंटेंसेस आर शोइंग कि some activities are happening, some activities will be in progress in future time, over a period of time or from a point of time. Okay, in these two sentences it is not mentioned कि वो कब से कब तक काम चलता रहेगा, but it is simply showing कि वो ये काम फ्यूचर में चलता रहेगा और फार्मर्स का खेत में काम करना भी चलता रहेगा. that will be in progress in the future. But in these two sentences it is clearly showing कि from a point of time and for a period of time. Lata will have been singing from morning and he will have been playing cricket for 2 years. So it is showing that this activity will be in progress over this period of time. This activity will be in progress in future from this point of time. And these activities will be in progress in future normally. There is no mention of timing. Okay, now one thing I would like to mark for, from and for. In previous perfect continuous tenses like present perfect continuous tense or past perfect continuous tense, we used to use since and for. Since for point of time and for period of time. Here for will remain same, but since will change into from. From will replace the word since. Okay, so keep it in your mind. Now we will go through the structures and various kinds of different kinds of sentences. Our first kind is affirmative sentence. Here I will write since is used to point of time and for is for period of time. Okay, so our first kind of sentence is affirmative sentence and structure would be subject plus shall, will plus have been plus V4 object. Mainly this is the structure. After that we can add from or for and time. Okay, and sentence would be I shall have been working in this office for 2 years. Okay, he will have been dancing from 5 p.m. Okay, and interrogative sentence structure would be shall, will plus subject plus have been V4 object and dash dash question mark as well. Okay, shall I have been talking to him will you have been lying there. Okay, so these are affirmative sentences and these are interrogative sentences. Now we will see interrogative double मतलब WH interrogatives, and for that you know the structure would be just WH plus simple interrogative, means WH plus shall, will plus subject plus have plus been V4 object dash dash. Okay, and sentences will be like when shall I have been playing cricket. When shall I have been playing cricket? मैं कब से क्रिकेट खेलता रहूंगा. Why shall we have been sitting there for 2 hours. Okay, and for negative sentences structure would be subject plus shall, will plus not plus have been plus V4 plus object dash dash. Okay, subject plus shall will plus not plus have been before object, and sentence should be I shall not have been fighting with him. Okay. He will not have been writing letters from January. He will not have been writing letters from January. Okay, so these are negative sentences. And finally, the last one is interrogative negative. And for that, our structure would be WH plus shall will subject plus not plus have plus been before an object, and sentences would be like why shall I not have been singing a song from tomorrow. मैं कल से क्यों एक गाना नहीं गा रहा हूँगा. When shall we not have been sitting there? Okay, so these are WH interrogative negative, and simple interrogative negative would be like this: will they not have been singing songs from tomorrow? Shall we not have been dancing for 2 years? Okay, so these are simple interrogative negative sentences, and these are WH interrogative negative sentences for future perfect continuous tense. And now we are finished with tenses. We studied present tense and its forms. We studied past tense and its forms. We also studied future tense and its forms. And now I believe you all are doing lots of practice, homework as well. You pick up just any book, whether it's current English grammar or British English Grammar or K.P. Thakur's English Edition or Lucent or any other book. There are lots of practice sets, exercises given in the books. Go through it, practice as much as you can, because simply nowadays you have lots of time. You don't have to go to schools, you don't have to go to coaching centers, tuition, you don't have to go to market or some other places as well. So you have plenty of time, and I hope you must utilize this time for your betterment. So go through all these exercises given in the books, whatever book you have, and do lots of practice. That's gonna help you much more than this study. Okay, so do practice, and if you have any problem regarding any tense, any form of it, just let me know in the comment section of this video. Okay, thank you very much.